We are in a workshop here, and you can see these two units. These are toilets, and here we will start with the sink. They integrated the sink in a tire. Look very nice. Tap water, have a mirror, can wash your hands, and these cells are actually the toilets. Quite nice design. You can see it looks like a bin. And here you have the key to open the door, and this is actually the toilet inside. It's here open. Looks nice, no? Interesting. Casa. Nice. Good idea. Try to close it. Interesting.